everyone, welcome back to the Quick Tech tutorial. Today for this video of Quick Tech, I will be showing you how to find Facebook friend on TikTok. So for that, what you need to do is open the TikTok application and then get logged in into the account. So once you are logged in, what you need to do is you need to go to the friend option just beside the home on the right side. Tap that. Here you will find all the TikToks that your friend have made. Now for you to add your Facebook friend, what you need to do is tap on the plus icon with a person in a top left corner of your screen. Tap that, which will give you this option, and there's the Facebook friend option. You tap that. Give TikTok access to your Facebook friend list and email. This will be used to improve your TikTok experience, including connecting you with people you may know, people you share connection with on Facebook. So you tap on allow. This will allow TikTok to access your Facebook account details and your Facebook friend. Now tap on invite. Now here you can make a post in Facebook with a TikTok account detail of yours. You just post that, and once you do that, you will be able to add your friends from Facebook to your TikTok account. Tap on post. With this way, you will be able to connect to your Facebook friend from here. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Quick Tech tutorial. Thank you for watching till the